Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking the video. Today's video is kind of a part 2 of my nail video that I previously posted, which I will link down in the description. It shows you all about how to remove those fake nails. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how I put on my press-on nails. Majority of the time I wear press-on nails because I just can't be bothered with making trips to the nail salon. So if you're into that, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what I do, how I do it, and what I use. The key to long-lasting press-on nails is absolutely not really the nail, it's the glue. In fact, I go between two kind of nails, but I stick to the same glue. Kiss Maximum Speed glue. In addition to your nails and your glue, you'll need an oil and a file and a nail clipper. So once you've gathered all your supplies, the first step that I usually take is prepping the nail. I'll go ahead and clean around my nail bed and my cuticles, and I will clip my nails. I like to clip them short, so when I apply my fake nail or press-on nail, it allows me to have like a starting point. So over time, obviously your real nails will grow and you'll need to reapply and do this process all over. But starting with a short nail for a base is my go-to always. So once I've prepped my real nails, I'm gonna go ahead and open the package to the press-on nails and kind of go through what's in this package. It comes with like press-on stickers, a little mini file, and some glue, and literally I use nothing that comes in the package other than the nails. This glue is terrible. I do not recommend it. It will not make your nails last. Again, go with the Kiss Maximum Speed. Next step is to sort and go through the nails and fit them to your real nails. So the key with the press-on nails is you actually really want to take your time with this step and make sure that the nail actually covers your nail bed. You don't want to put a press-on nail that is bigger than your actual nail bed or smaller. So go ahead and find the right size, take the time, adjust it by filing it down. If it's just a smidge over, that's fine, take your time. During this process, I like to sort all the nails according to my fingers, so I know exactly which nails go on which finger. One major tip when applying the glue is apply the glue to your actual nail. Don't apply it to the artificial nail or the fake nail or the press-on nail. Apply it directly on your nail bed and then apply the press-on nail over it and just kind of press lightly back and forth. Make sure you get any air bubbles out. Go ahead and repeat this process on the rest of your nails, one nail at a time, taking your time with each step. Now on to shape and file. I particularly like the almond round shape. Everybody's different, so do you and shape your nail the style that you like. These particular nails came in a stiletto shape, so I will be filing them down a bit. Once you filed and achieved your desired nail shape, go ahead and wash and dry your hands completely. Now, because these nails have already got a style or color, I'm going to go right into applying the nail oil all over my cuticle and hands to restore any moisture loss. But before you do go with the oil, if you need to paint your nails, now would be the time to paint your nail. All right guys, I hope this was helpful and I hope you enjoyed this nail tutorial.